though, after.
Yeah, it's going to adjust an hour, right? Yeah. So everything moves up an hour, which means now we're looking at about 5:45 for sunset. So it's going to get up earlier and earlier, and our days are still getting shorter right now. We can actually show you that, what it's going to look like, not only for tomorrow, but for the next couple of days. Here's our sunset for today, 6:45 in the evening, right around 6:45. We're still holding on to about 11 hours of daylight. Notice once as we get to Sunday, right, that's when we change our clocks. There's the sunset in Tampa going down to 5:42 p.m. to be exact, and our amount of daylight during the day actually drops below 11 hours there. So we're still losing about a minute and a half of daylight each day right now. And that will continue until we hit the first day of winter before the sun starts finally heading back in our direction. But still, we love this time of year because it brings in some of those cooler temperatures. We have that out there this evening. Temperatures falling down through the 70s for the rest of the day, eventually settling in the mid-60s as you wake up for your Saturday morning. Let's go ahead and switch things over to the weather wall because not only is it nice out there now, but it's going to be nice all the way through the weekend. 68 right now in Crystal River, one of the cooler spots on the map. We even have some 80s right now in Tampa and even down towards Sarasota and Venice, 83 and 84. We're also looking at 76 right now in Newport Richey. Humidity has creeped up a bit. Now, this is nothing too bad at all, right? We're used to humidity with dew points in the 70s. Dew points right now in the lower 60s. That's not bad. But the last few days, our dew points have been in the 50s. This is starting to creep up just a little bit more. And it will do that even towards tomorrow as well. So you might notice for your Saturday, the humidity has been increasing, and it will stay that way for the first half of the weekend. Dew points right now around Tampa are running about 10 degrees warmer, or at least the dew point humidity level is about 10 degrees higher than what we saw yesterday at this time. Out there on the radar and satellite, there's not a whole lot going on, just a few clouds here and there. We have seen a couple specks of green popping up towards the Nature Coast. That's one of the areas where there has been a little bit more moisture. A couple light sprinkles towards Crystal River. This hasn't been making its way down towards Tampa because the air is just too dry in this area. Anything that's been trying to work over from the other side of the state just falls apart because it can't make it. So for this evening, temperatures falling through the 70s, mostly clear skies for tonight. A beautiful start to your Saturday morning with all that sunshine once again. We get into your Saturday afternoon. Temperatures look very comfortable in the lower 80s. Again, a few clouds mixing in towards the afternoon hours. And then the same thing on Sunday, but Sunday will bring in lower humidity and some drier air once again. You can see our average high temperatures in the lower 80s will be around that for this weekend. Notice what the low temperatures do, though. Do you see this little drop here as we head towards Monday? That's some more drier air pushing in. That will allow our temperatures to be a bit cooler as we start off next week, at least during the morning hours, but all the sunshine does get us back towards the lower 80s, even into next week as well. How about some rain chances? Do we really have any in the forecast? Not really. This is looking between now and next Friday. Notice how the other side of the state sees a little bit of green, some small rain chances. There is not going to be much that develops around the Tampa Bay area, so we are going to stay dry and sunny. We could use some rainfall, but it's just not in the forecast right now. So for your Saturday, you can see temperatures lower 80s in the afternoon, a couple clouds mixing in, plenty of sunshine early on as we start off in the 60s for your Saturday morning. Sunday, again, will be more of the same. The marine forecast, though, looks good. Just a moderate chop on the bay, seas 2 to 3 feet. Gulf temperature sitting at 72 degrees after that recent cool down. Here's your Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday. You're just doing copy and paste of the forecast because the sunshine continues. Temperatures will remain in the 80s.